Welcome to Exness Broker channel. In today's video, I want to show you something different, okay? I want to take trade from random forex mentors. We have popular mentors out there that provide signals in the forex market. So I'll just choose one and then take his signals. Should we go with Jeffrey Benson or Habby Forex or Kojo Forex? Let's go with Habby. I love Habby so much. Why? Because his setups play out real quick. It's more like a gambling stuff. I didn't say he's a gambler, but like he's just sharp. For the sake of this video, I just need something short for me to document and show my audience. I greet you, boss. No be you. Touch that guy. Yes, you. No, touch that guy. No, that guy is sweating. Yeah, you. That forex mentor. Yes, I greet you, boss. For blowing people's account, I greet you. More respect. Today is Tuesday, 26 March. Habby Forex. If he drops a signal, I'm going to take. If he doesn't, then that means we look for another mentor and take his trades. We're going to dive into the details of this video when we come back from the break. Don't go anywhere.
Chemist Frank is a content creator on YouTube. Hurry now and subscribe to his YouTube channel. If you didn't subscribe now, I will take your stop loss.
All right, for the sake of the new beginners who don't know Habby Forex, Habby Forex is a professional forex trader, all right? He's also a blogger, a YouTuber, and a content creator. In fact, he creates content like mad, all right? So to get his signals, you just have to come to Telegram, search Habby Forex Academy, okay? You will see this page with 146,000 subscribers as of the time I recorded this video. I'm doing this video today, which is 26th March 2024. So the page might grow bigger next time, but as of the time I'm doing this video, they are still at 146,000 members. So once you get there, they drop signals free. You can also participate. Remember, I also have a signal group. My own is Exness Broker FX. The link is in my description box. Just tap on the link. If you want to join mine, then you can also be there. We drop free signals. But today, which is Tuesday, I want to trade with the gang, Habby Forex. Alright, now let us go there now. As you can see, no setup yet. But I believe it's going to drop setup anytime from now. So once it drops setup, then we pick up, then we are in the trade. Don't go anywhere. I'll just come back shortly and to update you.
A few moments later.
Alright, let's go, guys. Let's go. He has dropped a signal right now, so that's why I want to be fast with it. All right. He said we should actually buy gold. You see, buy XAUUSD now. So I'll quickly rush and buy this gold in my MT5. So let me type XAUUSD. So let's go. There's no time. I'm going to buy now. New order. Then I'll use 0.13. I will just open two positions for this trade, okay? New order, 0. Yeah. So this is the buy trades on Habby's signal. So guys, don't give up. Let's see what goes, man. If the trade was in profit, I'm still going to update all of us, right? So I'll be taking it live. Habby said we should buy gold. The stop loss he gave is 21. Let's see, 2169,000. All right, let's also infect it here too. That is 29. All right, 2169. Yeah. So let's go, guys. Don't go anywhere. This will be fun. This is take profit. I'm putting now 2181. Okay. Then let's also infect it in the second case. We're also going to infect it here. That is 2181. Good. We are in blues. What? Red. Blue, red. Habby is too good. Habby's Forex. When he drops a good trade, it goes into profit. But if he drops the one that can send you to village, it makes the distance so short. In fact, the distance between you and your village will just be 5 meters. I greet you, boss. Let's wait for this trade. Remember, I'm using $148 for this challenge. Okay, so let's see how it goes. If he runs in blues, I will update you. If it's in red, I will update you. Don't go anywhere, okay? It's a live trade, actually. Okay. Wow, we are in blues already. You can see the chart is going up. Yeah, this is 12 USD. Wow. Habibbi. 12.95. 14 USD. 14. Baba, 27. 26 USD. Gold, you see gold, 8 USD. Gold is the volatility in gold. That's why I don't trade gold anyway. But people that can trade gold, kudos to you people. I greet you, chairman. Wait, 12 USD. Sure say we no go close this thing, Baba. 11 USD. Oh man, Habby Forex. We are in blues anyway. I no one blow this account. This is 148 USDT. 10.0. Let's see. Habby is not dropping anything, you know. He's not saying we should take profit or anything. 7 USD. Okay, well, what do you think? Drop in the comment section. Do you think this market will buy or the market will sell? What? We're in red again. Habby Forex, where you did? I beg. We are buying gold. Habby is not dropping anything. Where are you, Baba? We are in serious red here. Minus 1.95. And I know how gold push. When gold wants to go into loss, it pushes like a mad person. Nothing yet. Baba, drop something though. Are we supposed to hold this? 2.71. It's coming against us. It's coming against us. Let's see. Okay, don't be tense. Don't be tense. Calm down. Calm down. Do the calms. Do the calms. Yeah. Yeah. 10 USD minus 14, minus 13, 15, 16. Gold, well done. Yeah. 17. We have to call Habby for phone. You understand what I'm saying? This is crazy. Minus. Habby is not dropping anything yet. Everywhere is still quiet. Buying XAUUSD. It's not buying again, no. The buying is no longer buying. Minus 16.7. 16, 15. For this kind of weather. Minus 14.83. Come on. That's why good. The volatility is crazy. Like it moves like hell. Minus 14.27. 15. 18. Yeah? 24 USD. 26. 27. I beg. Hey, who has Habby's number, guy? Let's call Habby, I beg. You. 25, 26, 27. Minus 27 USD. 30. Oh, nobody said anything. It's not even dropping that we should close or something. 33, 36, 37 on gold. 37 USDT. We are buying Habby. 37. This is too much on me. Oh. Minus 37.41723. Hey. Wow. Jeez, gold. Gold that bust. Don't finish it because of policy. 12 USD. 34 USD. 32. 31. Habby. 32. 35. Man, this is buying. This is bullish already. 39 US. 40 USDT going. Habby, let's take our profit now. This should be over by now, I guess. With the gambling strategy, you understand? The gambling spirit. 39. 41. This is crazy. 42 USD. Habby a senior man. Sniper gang. 42.19. 37. This is going down. Let us take our profit. Don't be greedy in this life, you understand? Normally, you can use this and flex. 38 now in Naira should be like 60 something thousand, right? 35. 42, we are back in profit. Habby, where are you now? Habby, where are you? 40 USD. 43. Good. Good. Habby, drop something now. Drop something now. Are we taking our profit? 53. Man. 49. 45. 47. I thought I saw 50. Let us. I think I have to close this trade right now. I won't wait for the signal provider. Allah. 44. 45. Yes, it's coming back to 50. 50, 50, 50, 50, 50, 50, 50, 51, 53, 52, 54, 50, 56, 7, 58. Habby Forex. Habby, are we not supposed to close this by now? What do you think? Call Habby for phone now. Are we not supposed to close this by now? $57. That's 100 and something thousand in my place. Okay. 58, 59, then 60, 61. Gee, 62.03 USD. 61, yes. Forward ever, backward never, too low. 60, 61. Maybe this, I can flip this account probably from 148 to maybe 280 something, and it's still bullish. 56. Habby, say something, oh. Say something, oh. Say something, oh. Habby Forex Academy, oh. My blood is hot right now. 54, 59, 56. I need this fan. Sorry, I need this fan. Baba. Sorry. 61, 61, 64, 65, 67. We are entering 70 USD, and Habby is still not saying anything. 69 USD, 72, 71. That's Habby. Habby, sometimes he kills the market like this. He does something like this. 70. What? 71. 70.71, 70.15, 70.11, 71.33. What are you saying? What are you saying? 76.51. 76. That means we are going to 80 USD. 80 USD. 75. 73. I'm going to close this right now. Like I'm going to close this. Like honestly. Hey, no. 69. No. Habby, say something. No. No. Say something. I'm going to close this. 68, 67, 65, 64. 50. 50. Are we going forward or backward? 67. Okay, 69. Be fast with this thing. Be fast. Actually, subscribe to this channel, guys. If you have not subscribed before, please turn on the notification bell on. I'm going to be updating you about my trades here, and also join our Telegram. 70, 70.1, 71.93. 71.61, 71. That means we are going to 80 USD, probably 81. This is mad. That's a good trade, man. That's a good trade. 83 USD. 88. Oh God. 89. Are we not supposed to close it for Christ's sake? Like, what shall it profit a man to be greedy? 89.09. 91. No. Me, Franklin, and my team, on behalf of myself, even though I took a signal from you, I am going off with this 94 USD. 98. 100. This thing might go to 150. Habby, say something. Say something. 100. 94. 102. On behalf of myself, I think I'm done with this shit. No. It can't buy again. 95. Habby must say something. Take profits now, please. Good. Take your profits now. Alright, this is it. So let us take profit and I'll talk to you later. I'm going with 99.75. Habby have done it.
Everybody don't bizarre.
Okay, that's it, guys. That was a beautiful trade from Habby Forex. Join our signal providing groups. The link is in my description box, alright? Remember, it's not good to gamble Forex anyway, but if you have the ability, if you know the strategy, then do something like this. But if you cannot carry it, stay away from gambling, okay? Habby is a good trader, he's a sniper guy, he can scalp within 1 hour, 2 hours. Habby is doing the trade. And then that becomes his own kind of trading style, you understand? So discover your own trading pattern and then go with it. I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.